Today's HMIs, like Automation Direct's next-gen C-more panels, are amazing, giving users a high-quality graphical interface for full control and visualization of your project. However, they're not ideal in every situation. In situations where simplicity, limited space, specific environmental factors, or cost considerations are priorities, a full-featured HMI may be more than you need. When a row of physical buttons and switches aren't enough, and a next-gen full-featured HMI is too much, look to the C-more Micro series of HMIs to bridge that gap. With options ranging from compact 3-inch monochrome to vibrant 4-inch color displays, there's a C-more Micro HMI to fit your needs. First, let's discuss the best no-frills option for simple graphical project interfacing, the EA3 3-inch HMIs. All of these have a high-contrast 3.1-inch 128 by 64 monochrome display and 12 selectable LED-driven backlight colors. Each model includes built-in serial protocols, enabling easy connection to AutomationDirect PLCs through the RJ12 serial port, making setup and device connections simple. But what makes these HMIs stand out are their 5 physical bubble function keys. Protected from water, dust, and environmental contamination, these are perfect for industrial areas or where PPE makes using touchscreens difficult. Each button has an LED indicator, audible beep, and 2 functions apiece. These can be user-defined, programmed, and labeled independently. Properly mounted and sealed, these sturdy HMIs have an IP65 rating, protecting your device from contaminants in most indoor environments. With 3 models, you choose exactly which features you need. Let's compare them and see what each brings to the table. The C-more S3ML-RN model does exactly what it promises, without paying for extras you don't need. It connects seamlessly to any AutomationDirect serial PLC or Modbus RTU device via the RJ12 serial connection. With built-in drivers, connections to PLCs is simple. Just open the panel manager, select the PLC, fill in the blanks, and you're all set. From here, you can even download the tags database with only a few clicks. To make installations easier when connected to an AutomationDirect PLC, this low-voltage HMI requires no separate power supply and is powered directly through the 6-pin RJ12 port. The S3MLR model is identical to the RN, but also boasts an analog-resistive touchscreen, allowing users to take greater control over the project. As with all the 3-inch models, the buttons' labels are fully customizable without sacrificing the button's seal integrity. Just pull out the existing function label from the side and insert your own. For even more options, check out the S3ML model. It has all the capabilities of the other 3-inch models, but is packed with plenty of extra features. Using the built-in RJ12 or DB15 serial or RJ45 Ethernet ports, you have access to dozens of additional connection protocols from manufacturers such as Allen Bradley, GE, Siemens, and Omron. Additionally, connecting from your PLC is even easier with your choice of connecting using the RJ12, Ethernet, or micro USB connection. Not only does this make development easier, but it also eliminates the need for disconnecting the HMI to upload project updates. Now, let's look at the T4CL model, the larger, full-color option in the C-more Micro family. This model offers a 4.3-inch 482 by 272 full-color touchscreen display. Supporting both landscape and portrait modes, this panel has a palette of 32,000 colors for customizing objects, screen backgrounds, and displaying bitmap graphics. With the same connection ports as the S3ML model, it also supports all the same protocols. Finally, both the S3ML and T4CL models include a dedicated 12 to 24 volt power connector, so they don't rely on serial power. Whether you want your HMI to have a monochrome or color display, touchscreen, DB15 serial, or Ethernet, we have the right C-more Micro HMI for your needs. Not sure which one to pick? Why not design your project interface first using the C-more Micro development software, available to download and use for free at the link above? The C-more Micro software shares many features with the C-more programming software, but is tailored specifically for smaller screens. Included is a library of screen objects taking full advantage of the device's size without scaling issues. Even programming the physical buttons is simple. Just add the object, fill out the blanks on a single page, and you're all set. In the modern, high-tech world of HMIs, it's easy to end up paying for features that you'll never use. Automation Direct lets you choose what you need with options ranging from simple, rugged 3-inch monochrome C-more Micros to internal headless HMIs, all the way up to next-gen 22-inch CM5 panels. Automation Direct offers you full project control at a price you expect. Every C-more and C-more Micro HMI is backed by a 2-year warranty and our free award-winning technical support before, during, and after your purchase. Learn more about all our HMIs at AutomationDirect.com/C-more. Click here to see more videos. Click here to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos from Automation Direct.